Are you tired of constantly adjusting your air conditioner to achieve the perfect temperature in your room? Look no further. This new, do-it-yourself Arduino-based smart air conditioner control system project allows you to effortlessly set your desired temperature and keep your room cool without any hassle. Simply set your desired temperature, and let the smart controller take care of the rest. With this innovative product, you can also say goodbye to high electricity bills and hello to energy savings. This project is designed to automatically turn off the air conditioner when it reaches your desired temperature, saving you money and reducing your carbon footprint. Plus, it's perfect for a peaceful night's sleep, as the smart controller will turn off the air conditioner to prevent any disturbing sounds of the air conditioner during sleep. With this air conditioner control system project, you can enjoy the ultimate in comfort and convenience. Upgrade your home or office with this revolutionary device and enjoy a more relaxing, comfortable, energy-efficient and hassle-free lifestyle. Remember that this do-it-yourself project may not be suitable for the beginners. It is recommended to have some experience related with electronics, Arduino, etc. Circuit diagram of the project can be seen in this video and the software will be shared on demand. You can contact me via my Instagram address to request the software. The software will only cost $5. Hope you enjoy while doing and using this useful and educational project.